Learn English with Om Nom.
Find an apple with Om Nom. Ooh, what is Om Nom looking for? An apple! Wow! Where did it go? Keep looking. Om Nom is falling! Whoa! There it is. Om Nom is chasing. Uh-oh, Om Nom is crawling. Om Nom is jumping. Go, Om Nom. Whoa! Om Nom is running. Ooh, that was a dream. Yes, Om Nom, that's an apple. Eat it. What are you waiting for? Om Nom is eating. I wonder what Om Nom is up to today. Wow! An arcade machine. Let's begin. Learn alphabets with Om Nom. Woohoo! Om Nom! A B C D E. Keep going. Press the red button to start the game. Next level. F G H I J K L M N O. Keep going. P Q R S T. Press the red button to resume. U V W X Y Z. Game over. Good job, Om Nom. Bye.
Yeehaw! Well, howdy there, partners. It's the candy bean tree. Hello, Om Nom. How are you today? Yes, you are in the desert. What's that? It's a candy bean machine. Shall we get one? Look, a gold coin. Now remember, Om Nom, you had a candy yesterday, so give this one to Om Nelle. Here it comes. Yes, a candy. Only the one, though, Om Nom. Now remember, it's Om Nelle's turn. Give it to her. It's Om Nelle's gold coin, so she should keep the candy. Oh dear. Om Nom, don't be mean. Let her keep it. Come on, Om Nom. Give it to her. Oh dear. Quick, run. There it is. It is growing something. What's that? Yes! It could be a candy bean tree. Good idea, Om Nom. Putting water on things makes them grow. For some more. Excellent work, Om Nom. Watch out! Oh dear, never mind. Look, Om Nom, it's a gigantic candy bean tree! Yes, you're going to have to climb it. Go on, you can do this for your best friend, can't you? Good job, jump, 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 jump from one leaf to the next leaf and reach. No, Om Nom, give it to Om Nelle. Remember, it was her coin. Give it to her. Good boy, Om Nom. You are a very good friend. So that's what it means to be kind.
Blue. Red. Red. Purple. Cyan. Green. Pink. Yellow. Green. Yellow. Cyan. Pink. Red. Cyan. Green. Pink. Yellow. Hi! Let's learn secondary colors. This is red. And this is blue. Let's mix it. What color is this? Red and blue makes purple. This is Let's mix it. Yellow and red. Mix orange. This is red again. And green. Mix it up. What color is this? Red and green makes brown. White and red. Let's mix it. What color is this? White and red makes pink. Yay! Good job! Subscribe! Click to watch more!